Hey, cheers from the top deck of the Bhaya Classic cruise boat #1.
This is the most beautiful place.
Correct, factual statement. We've just been spending the day lollygagging around these emerald islands that are rising from the depths of the sea.
We spent some time in the water, which is probably the first time we've done it on this whole trip, which is really nice. It's a little sweaty now, but it felt so great this afternoon.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone.
We've had an exhilarating afternoon. We got to kayak around. We're going kayaking. Look at me doing all of the paddling.
For once ever.
So we're out here kayaking in the middle of Halong Bay, and we're supposed to follow this guy over here, but I don't really have any intention of doing that, seeing as how there's so many caves and probably little pirate bays around here. Why would we possibly do what we were told? We've been paddling for about 2 weeks out here, gotten separated from the crew. Not sure if the natives are friendly here. Don't want to find out, but I bet they make a mean banh mi sandwich. I just hope not a banh mi sandwich. Know what I'm saying? Watch some people struggle as they capsize, not once, not twice, not thrice, but quad times. They just capsized. Capsize number 2.
We got to swim in a no swimming beach full of swimming people.
Yeah, they had one sign and it said, no swimming.
Talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship's
I'm thinking about my dog right now, Benny.
if you can't.
Everyone's gone. We gotta go.
And there we were. We got to visit a bat cave where there was guano actively raining from the ceiling.
Don't love that part.
And right now it's happy hour, so we're enjoying some 2-for-1 drink specials. Currently on the mojito phase of that special.
Very nice.
They're also running a cooking class over there where we're learning how to make spring rolls. And let's not forget that very soon we will be enjoying a 5-course dinner.
5 course.
Yes, 5-course dinner.
Seafood, barbecue.
Yeah.
My favorite kind of barbecue.
There are definitely prawns involved. There's probably calamari. There's a good bet calamari is involved.
If it's not,
I'm gonna punch the chef in the face.
no words.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
I'm done talking because we're gonna drink these drinks and look at these views. This has been the gnarliest storm I've ever experienced in my life, and I've seen some shit. We're getting pitched around, there's waves hitting the side of the boat, and there's corrugated tin on parts of these boats. I think we just got absolutely rocked by lightning. We've been up since about 3 o'clock in the morning, but now the first light of the day is broken, and you can really see what's going on out there. This is not a joke.
This has been the most amazing experience. We had the craziest storm I've ever seen right surrounding us last night.
Yeah, we've taken safe harbor here with the rest of the Bhaya cruise fleet. We were jostled awake this morning by lightning strikes that they had to be like literally on our boat.
We definitely got hit. The alarm started going off on the boat. It only lasted for a few seconds before they turned it off, but I'm quite sure we got literally hit by lightning last night.
And everything felt totally under control the whole time. Like, the rest of the cabin staff and the people on board
Yeah.
were just enjoying themselves because it was a premium showcase of nature's miracles right outside of our window. Like we had a view looking out over the bay, and all of these iconic landscapes and little dollop-shaped islands were getting hit by lightning.
I've never seen anything like it before.
And now we have our passion juice and watermelon juice and coffee and full breakfast buffet. So I think we're gonna go hit that. Now we're headed back to port. We get to carve through all of the limestone islands, of which there are approximately 2,000, I believe, here.
Is that real?
Yeah,
Wow.
that's real numbers.
Amazing.
Yeah, very comfortable. The boat didn't sink. Great job, Bhaya Classic.